guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Fashion.
From simple kurta or elaborate lehengas or saris, we have an Indian wear wardrobe that fits any occasion. However, there are some tiny problems that can actually ruin your well-planned outfit. But don't worry, I'm here to show you some very effective and valuable hacks that are going to help you look stunning in your Indian wear. If your kurta slit isn't high enough for you to tuck your dupatta into your pants and get that cool drape, just pin the dupatta with a safety pin to the front of your kurta instead of the pants and forget about it for the rest of the day. Wearing stilettos all night long can be very uncomfortable and can cause your feet to ache. So opt for wedges instead. They are going to give you height and keep you comfortable all day long. If your blouse is a little loose, an easy way to fix this is by using safety pins. Just pin it where you want your clasp to be and resize your blouse in few seconds. These small stud bindis are super pretty and go with any outfit, but the glue at the back doesn't stay on for very long. Apply some lash glue at the back to make sure it stays on all day. It can be quite annoying when you're performing on the Sangeet night only to find your Maang Tika going all over the place. Just use a double-sided tape to keep it in place. Wearing heavy earrings for the whole day can definitely cause major discomfort and pain in your earlobes. So the two easy ways are, you can use a chain which will give you the support, or stick thin double-sided tape on the back of your ear holes to balance the weight of the earrings. If your bangles fit perfectly on your wrist, chances are that they are slightly tight on the palms. Just apply some Vaseline on the area to make sure your bangles slide on and off easily and don't scratch your skin. There are times when the clasp of your necklace gets tangled with your hair. To keep this from happening, just take a small piece of tape and wrap it around the clasp. Save these hacks for later. I'm sure you'll need them. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comment section below. And while you do that, don't forget to check out our POPxo shop. We've got amazing merchandise. We've got planners, coffee mug, laptop sleeves and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so click on it and shop now. And for more styling tips and tricks and news on celebrity looks, keep watching POPxo Fashion.